Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Learn how to add a video in presentation in PowerPoint presentation, or how to add a YouTube link to the presentation and show it as a video. You can do that and it will be a very easy process. So please make sure you have your file handy, and I can see my PowerPoint is opened, and here we have a lot of menu, and we need to go to this Insert tab. And once you click on that, at the top right corner you have this video icon and audio icon. Now I'll go to video, and if you have the video in your PC, you can simply select that and go to the location where your computer, where you have saved the video, and then you can simply select it and click on insert. The moment you do that, you will see the video there, and you can actually drag, and according to your convenience you can manage the size as well, and you can play as well. The next is for the YouTube link. So here we will go to Insert tab, Insert menu, and then we will go to this video section and click on the down arrow key and click on online videos. The moment you do that, a new window will appear, and very soon we will have a option. So now we need to paste the link which we want to show. So I'm going to share my tutorial on best Windows 11 free tool which boosts CPU and reduce lag. So you can do that, and I'll click on insert. The moment we do that, it will start, pasting that video, and you will see the thumbnail and the embedded video there, and it can be played in the YouTube itself. So this is the best way to do it, because it will not take much space from your computer, and it is faster as well. Alright, so this is how you can add videos to your PowerPoint presentation, or you can do it with the YouTube link. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.